welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life, Brisbane Caravan and Camping Show Super Show 2024. Hope you enjoy the show, plenty to see, and at the end of the show I have the best instant van life bargain you could come across. Wait till the end and you'll see it. It is unbelievable.
All I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. Sooner or later,
Fortitude Valley Station.
just don't want to miss you. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I
And see what this show has to offer us van lifers and open road warriors.
all the moment of truth in your life, when everything feels like the movie.
First things first, let's grab some tickets. Here's $20, my hard-earned cash, mate. Beauty, got my tickets, woohoo! Van Life Paradise, have a look at this. There's vans and caravans and camper vans and camping equipment going on forever here. Have a look at it. Let's go and have a look at some more stuff.
Well, let's start this adventure with Australia's first caravan towed by a Model T Ford. That's right.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, all the moment of truth in your lies, when everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken,
Lucky Woody wasn't broken and left like this.
About having a two-wheel motorbike on the back of your van, you can have a four-wheel. You can have a quad bike on the back. Jeez.
miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand.
So if you're going to build a van, I suggest you go to one of these caravan shows, have a look around and see what your options are, because they're very inventive the way they use the space, and it's very economical the way they use the space. And most spaces in vans really should serve three purposes, not just one. Now behind me are some of these two-leaf campers. They're handy if you've got a car and you just want to pull up somewhere, tiny little bit of accommodation. Not really cheap though, about 20 grand if I'm guessing right. Let's go and see what the price is right.
54 grand, they've got to be joking. I could build a van for 54 grand. It'd be the best van life van ever. That's massive budget there.
Really cute little teardrop. Very nice. Actually, they know how to use the space. It's really cute. Toscana. Very, very nice. Very nice. Oh, that's inviting. Little two-lift trailer. Nice little cabinetry there. The bed's full length, it's quite huge actually. Very comfortable. Nice skylight.
Now you have the opportunity to crown yourself king or queen of the van on your throne.
So we're into toilets. Everyone thinks smell. Not necessarily.
Just keep tail going to it.
There's a throne fit for a van lifer. There's the wee goes there and the poo-poo goes there. Just move the towel. So the Vanlife Super Show is like Vanlife Disneyland, except there's not many Mickey Mouses around, but there's a lot of manly mullets. What do you get?
A custom sheet house.
Custom shit house.
Yep.
Sheet. Now,
Good morning, custom sheet house.
so you're on the Gold Coast?
Oh, that's what happens when you've got toilets on your mind. Gee, that joke went over like a lead balloon, didn't it? Okay, let's learn more about it, and they're not smelly.
Custom sheet house, guys.
Interior designers.
They can all be custom made to your measurements.
This is just some of the array of different covers and patterns. Absolutely brilliant. And what's the name of your company again?
A custom sheet house.
Custom Shit House.
Yep.
Sheet. Now,
Good morning, custom sheet house.
so you're on the Gold Coast?
Yeah, we are on the
So if
Gold
anyone on the Gold Coast wants to order it, but
And
they're not far
Caravan
away,
bedspreads.
Brisbane, hey?
Yep.
Caravan bedspreads on Facebook.
Caravan bedspreads on Facebook.
Yep.
So customise your van with custom sheet house.
Here's a portable space bucket. So there's so many accessories around here that you can buy. TV, you name it. The thing is, you've got to carry it all. So now that I've bought this collapsible bucket, I've got to carry it around all day now. Makes it a bit harder to film, but that's my fault. But it's so tempting. There's so many good things around here. Have a look at all this. Collapsible buckets. And I pay $25 for mine. Oh, no, they're only $9.99 here.
And this nifty little gadget is a bin with a
There we
lid.
go.
You put a rubbish bag
That's the
underneath
bin.
or a little food bag.
I think he's well done. Okay, all this van life hunting has made me hungry. Had to go and get a feed, guys, and a coffee. A bit of a long day here. The crows have got their eyes on this. Four-wheel drive camper van caravans. So you can tow this on the back of your four-wheel drive. Let's have a look in here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Got a huge proper bathroom. Beautiful looking shower. Oh, top toilet. There's your shower. Brilliant. Heaps of cupboard space too. Oh shit. Jeez. Better get out of here before I get kicked out. But the toilet looks good. It's a bloody beauty. Look at that. Someone's used it. Nice decor on the bed. Beautiful bed. And you always knew there's a Rocco fan, don't you?
There's plenty of Winnebagos to have a look at. And there are a few just Vanlife Vans, your normal Vanlifers.
So look at this beast. It's got more gadgets than a villain in a James Bond movie. And you've got all your usual sinks you can open up. There's your sink. There's your burner stove. Really nice. A lot of storage in this one too. It's a bit longer than the other one we just looked at, which means you're going to have a parking problem with it. But it's awesome. It's a little bit cheaper, but parking's a big thing. You've got to really think about where you're going to store your van when you're not using it and where you're going to park it when you are using it.
Oh, he's looking for a park. He's going over the kicker. Oh, he's flipped it over and parked it over the kicker.
So here's the inside. There's the There's the pilot's seat.
189.
Up here you can see the inside. Interior.
Yeah.
Very nice looking van. So Caravans are your thing. This one's 74,000. It's on sale.
Most of us van lifers don't want a caravan because we suck at reversing. But over the years, people have come up with some pretty inventive ideas on how to fix that.
Time for a refreshment. This Caravan Camping Expo is making me thirsty. Beautiful.
The vans like this that have the fiberglass rear shell have a little bit more width to play with. But look, there's your normal van layout with your lounge that turns into a bed. Yeah, so it's got everything in there. It's all professionally built. Gives you great ideas.
There's so many vans here, so many layouts. You can get some really good ideas for a self-build too. While you're here, steal the ideas. They all seem to have TVs in them. My van's got a TV in it. Getting a few goodies for the van.
So at the show, I come up with an idea. Get a better swivel for my TV in the van. And I did. $65 later, mounted in the van.
So there's the TV now. I can swing it right round this way and adjust it. I can swing it right round the other way and adjust it. Well, I think I can. Round that way. Watch it from that angle. Flip it round and it corrects. Watch it from this angle. So that's the coolest thing I've seen all day. It makes me want to go and get into the bush, even deeper into the bush. Look at that.
Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't.
It's like a monster truck, this one. And it's a camper. It's huge.
Everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand when everything's made to.
Congratulations if you've made it this far. Next up, we have the instant van life option you've been waiting for.
Forward drive guide. Have a look inside of this. Beautiful bed. Great bed in there.
Yeah, it's a king class ute cabin
Yeah.
with a king size bed. That's why it's called king class.
Oh, it looks great. The bed was impressive.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
for big people like me, I need a big bed.
Great bed in there. Oh, it's got one induction cooktop, toilet, and that looks like that's a dining setting that can turn into another bed.
You can park it in any normal car
Yeah.
spot and sleep, and you don't need to go to a caravan park, and you can just sort of rock up wherever you want. And
Still camp.
park on the side of the road or rest stops. You don't need to plug it in. You just need water, basically. Fill it up,
Yeah.
and you can last for about a week. In the water tank's got 120 litres in it. So,
Gee, that's good.
yeah,
Yeah, hot and cold water?
yeah.
Hot and
nice
cold.
Nice hot water.
Just a bit of a swing around here.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a nice four-wheel drive cabin on the back, ute cabin, which is a really good name for it. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And my cousin just bought one of these, but
Fantastic.
it was a Toyota though.
Yeah.
And it's probably, I don't know, he paid about 250 grand for it. So how much are these ones around?
Oh no, these are 88,700.
Oh, gee, that's cheap.
Yeah, we include everything on them.
Yeah.
And you
Okay.
you can mount or demount them off
Yeah.
in 8 minutes.
Well, that's it, guys. Look at this. I've got a bucket. I've got the bucket out now. I'm putting stuff in the bucket. So I've bought that much stuff. There's that many people here. Have a look at it. I've walked miles. It's absolute van life heaven. But it's time to go home, I think. I haven't seen everything. It's just absolutely incredible. So if you get a chance, go to one of these Vanlife Caravan and Camping Super Shows, because if your legs can keep up, you'll just be spoilt for choice.
Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Now guys, to keep the YouTube algorithm happy and spreading this video and spreading van life throughout the Vaniverse, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. It really helps the channel. It costs you nothing, and it just helps me make more and more content that you can view, you can enjoy, you can spread, you can share, you can van life. See you next time, and in the meantime, stay safe on the road and enjoy your travels.
'Cause I don't think they'd understand.